घर एक ग्रेस है, ऑनर है, इज्जत है। इस प्रीमिस के साथ आज बुधवार की खूबसूरत सुबह और प्रोफेशनल रियल्टर, एलीट क्लास रियल्टर ब्रदर हारिस नाज, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम कसर भाई, कैसे हैं आप?
I'm okay, sir, and I'm thankful for your companionship always.
लाइकवाइज।
So, ब्रदर हारिस नाज, ये जो हमने प्रेमिस किया कि घर एक इज्जत है, ग्रेस है, ऑनर है,
ऐसा ही है।
तो कुछ लोग जो हैं वो किराए पे रहते हैं, रेंट करते हैं, और बहुत सारे लोग घर ओन भी करते हैं।
जी।
तो आपके ख्याल में what are the pros and cons of both options of renting versus owning?
Once again, कसर भाई, as always, very good question. Pros and cons. Rental में basically you don't own anything. You are just throwing your money away every month, whether it's $3,000, $3,500, $4,000 a month is going down the trash. Same thing if you're paying towards a mortgage. But one person who doesn't buy it, naturally he cannot afford to buy it. They don't have a down payment. That's why. But that's where we come into play. Sometimes maybe you can buy, you just don't know you can buy. I've come across many people that call me. They say, you know what, can you help us find a rental property? And I guide them. And I would say maybe 1 out of 20 people, they can buy it, they just don't know they can buy it because they don't know that they can get the mortgage arrangements and there's some creativity involved. So they can buy it, right? Versus renting. So a person should always look into a professional, whether it's a mortgage broker, and then discuss with a realtor. They don't know that they can buy and they should buy. Versus, because if you don't buy and then you rent for that, because whenever you rent, you generally rent, you sign a lease for 1 year.
Yeah.
So if you do that, so that 1 year passes by and the market has changed.
Yeah.
That if you could have bought at that time, example, for 600,000, a year later, that's going to cost you maybe 650, 670.
Right.
So you should know where you stand, where you are standing,
Yeah.
and make a decision from that point and onwards.
Right.
So discuss with a professional, and you'll know. Because we have mortgage brokers in our panel, right? They can tell you that you're ready to buy. Even if you cannot, they'll create some windows where you can buy, giving factors 1 or 2 months.
Yeah. So
And
there
then you
could
own
be.
your own property rather than that 3,000 or 4,000 that you're putting in rental, you're putting in the mortgage, and now you have something that's building equity.
Right. Right. And brother Haris, just taking a little further, as an option, rent to own भी तो एक option है.
It is, but it's not very visible
Okay.
in the real estate market here, because it's never beneficial to the seller. I mean, yes, the tenant always would like it. It's not beneficial to the seller, so they don't go with it. So, as much as
Okay, so
you
that's
want,
not a seller's option.
yes,
So,
yes.
but मैंने ये देखा है, because I'm a financial advisor.
Yes,
So,
yes.
I have a business of money, giving money,
Correct,
expanding wealth and creating wealth.
Yeah.
So there are some companies जो partnership कर लेती हैं,
Yeah.
and they pay the down payment. और वो आपको मॉर्गेज भी हेल्प करते हैं, डाउन पेमेंट दे देते हैं, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों के पास डाउन पेमेंट नहीं होती
Yeah,
आजकल। डाउन
yeah.
पेमेंट 10%, 20%, इवन मोर। तो वो भी हैं। तो आपके ख्याल में अगर कोई ऐसी ऑप्शन मिल
Yeah.
जाए,
If we can find that, yes, it's very much doable then. Yes.
I can do that.
Yes.
I have companies with me because of my work as a financial advisor and insurance
Yeah.
broker. तो वो आपके साथ पार्टनरशिप कर सकते हैं, वो आपकी डाउन पेमेंट पे कर सकते हैं, तो वो उनके साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा। फिर जब आप घर बेचना चाहेंगे तो इट विल बी
बिल्कुल,
योर ऑप्शन
absolutely.
to buy it. You can buy it out from them.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
तो ये एक ऑप्शन हो सकती है अगर आप, इफ यू वांट टू हैव द ऑनर ऑफ ओनिंग अ हाउस, तो
Absolutely.
या
Just adding on to what I was discussing, there have been cases where people have come to rent out properties from me, and I guided them, and some of them had $100,000 and they didn't think that they can buy, and I helped them out, and they ended up buying, and they're very thankful to me. They call me even still today, sometime when we have a conversation, that you gave us that guidance to buy, and we bought it. Otherwise, we would have been renting and not making any money at all. Now they have
Excellent.
at least saved up some money.
एक्सीलेंट। और फिर जब आप हारिस भाई घर ओन करते हैं तो आपका एक वेल्थ स्टेटस बन जाता है इन द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस। तो देन फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो है वो आपको क्रेडिट ऑफर करते हैं, आपको लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट्स, होम एक्विटी लाइन ऑफ
Yes,
क्रेडिट्स एंड
बहुत,
दीज थिंग्स। तो आपकी जो फाइनेंशियल फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है दैट एक्सपैंड्स।
Yes.
So you can play around with that financial capacity
Absolutely.
and increase your wealth. So that's how we create and we give suggestions of wealth creation. ख़वातीन हज़रात, ये जो दौलत की क्रिएशन है, वेल्थ की क्रिएशन है, असल चीज़ ये है। ये दौलत को आप या वेल्थ को आप सर्कुलेट करके और मैनिपुलेट करके यू कैन इंक्रीज योर capacity, capability, financial capacity and wealth creation capacity. So thank you very much,
Thank you, Kasper.
brother
Great
Haris.
topic,
Please give your phone number so that people can call you.
416-356-6572. Once again, 416-356-6572.
Thank you. और मैं कसफर अब्बास, इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकर, फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र, business coach and mindset coach. I have daily trainings on the platform of Gilani's Wealth Group. Immediately give me a call 647-203-0426 and join our team. Inshallah, we will make sure that you create wealth for yourself and for your next generations to come. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.